Welcome to NIAT at Sushant University. We are standing on 15 acres of pure greenery, which is literally just a few steps away from the biggest MNCs in India. Now, let's walk and talk. First off, check out where you'll be spending your mornings. The classrooms are fully air conditioned, which is a lifesaver in summers by the way, and they're all smart enabled. Now, if you are like me and you need a quiet corner to get things done, the Library Resource Center is huge. We are talking over 45,000 books and all the digital journals that you could ever need. And when you're done studying and ready to learn from the top tech leaders, we head over to the auditorium. This is where the magic happens. You'll get to attend masterclasses from top software engineers working at MAANG companies, giving you a direct line to the best in the business. But hey, it's not all about the books. Let's head over to the sports area. If you play tennis, you are going to be obsessed with the courts. They are professional grade and honestly some of the best in the city. The university features basketball and football courts along with a well-equipped gym. Now, let's talk about your home away from home. Sushant University provides world-class on-campus hostels on a triple sharing basis for girls and boys separately. It's an excellent living environment with a 24-hour security and hygienic food, all in a great campus ambience. Feeling hungry? The canteen is the place to be. Whether you want a full North Indian meal or just a quick coffee between the classes, it's the social heart of the campus. And here is the stuff people usually forget to mention. A 24/7 medical room just in case. And a bus fleet that covers basically everywhere, from Delhi to Faridabad. Sushant University is a space that's ready for you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to start your NIAT journey at Sushant University?